Okay, good morning everyone and welcome to our live trade session brought to you by F1 Academy and TED System. Today is Thursday, December 6, 2018 and now 8:45 a.m. We just start our live trade session. So before we get started as usual, I need to check from you guys. I want to make sure you can hear my voice, can see the screen before we get started. So if you can hear my voice and see the screen, just go ahead, type on the chat box. I'm waiting for your feedback and I will check from my side too. For those who just joining us, okay, I think my side's okay. So I wait for your feedback. If you can hear my voice, just go ahead, type on the chat box. For those who just joining us, welcome to our live trade session. Today, Thursday, December 6, 2018. We will start our live trade session shortly. I'm still waiting for your feedback. Just go ahead, type on the chat box whether you can hear my voice and see the screen. So yeah, I still waiting for your feedbacks. For those who just joining us, welcome to our live trade session. If you can hear my voice, just go ahead, type on the chat box. Okay, I'm still waiting for your feedback here before we get started. Okay. Just go ahead, give your feedback. For those who just joining us, welcome to our live trade session. We will start our live trade session shortly, but before we get started, I need your feedback whether you can hear my voice or you can see the screen. Just go ahead, type on the chat box. I'm still waiting for your feedback before we get started here to make sure that you can hear my voice. Unless I will talking alone here if you cannot hear my voice. So I'm still waiting for your feedback, guys. Just type on the chat box if you can hear my voice. For those who just joining us, welcome to our live trick session. Today is Thursday, December 6, 2018. Okay, I'm waiting for your feedback. If you can hear my voice, just please go ahead, type on the chat box. I need your feedback before we get started, or you cannot hear my voice. Anything, just any problem, just type on the chat box so I can know before we get started. Okay, for those who just joining us here, welcome to our live trick session brought to you by FN Academy. Okay, I got here feedback. Good morning, CK. Good morning. Okay, can hear. Okay, it's good. So, okay, can hear. Okay, I think we will start our live trade session. I already get a few feedback here, so it's good. So I will recap what the performance of our bursa yesterday. Okay, I will share the slide here. Oops. Okay, wait. Hang a bit. Okay, so today, December 5, 2018, we can see that our FPM KSCI also joined other Asian stock indexes. Okay, with tracking the losses on the Wall Street, on the US Treasury yield continue uncertain. So our FPM KSCI yesterday closed at 1688.27, dropped 6.72 points or 0.4%, with a turnover value 1.517 billion, and the losers is outperform gainers. Losers is 519 and gainers only 250. So let's see our bursa performance of bursa today. Okay, I want to share one more with you guys. This is in the Edge Financial Daily today. So in the page 4, we can see that the news is cash king given the Woobi equities. So as you see that the Dow is dropped 800, almost 800, 799 point something on Tuesday. So we can see here that they said that cash is the king for now, but there's a mixed view that for our local bursa, that they feel that because you can see here FPM, KLCI, the performance, the change year to year, 1 year, 3 year, and 5 year. If based on the Dow, they already rallied. They already perform better, but our FPM, KSCR not perform better as a Dow. So there is a room for another rally, but only for short term. So there is a view for that. So let's see for our bursa. Let chat tell us. So I will share for you guys. This is the NBC News here. The market sell-off set to continue as Dow futures get hit. Okay, this news 21 minutes ago. There is a view that because of Dow fell as much as 486 point as their low, so they will indicate that Dow would open more than 200 point lower on Thursday. So let's see the performance of Dow also later. So we continue to our market. So KLCI futures already open here. So it's still hold at the support. So let's see the performance for today. But as you guys know, we always keep reminding you guys that this time, this uncertainty is not for conservative trader. We only suggest for aggressive trader and only for short-term play. As you can see, the overall here, the chart that I draw, this trend line, we waiting if this trend line is broke below, so the price will go to the next support. So welcome for the bear market. So now price still hovering here, so let's see the performance of our KLCI. Okay, I will share to you guys Sifu Frag newsletter for today. Okay, this is market watch for December 6th is today. So GBC is still hold target at 36 here. So put stop 2.65 or lower. Revenue hold target 1.70, stop at 1.27 or lower. And then CIMB already break out the trendline resistance here. So buy target at 6.28 and then 6.5, stop loss at 5.64 or lower. So this is market outlook. Dow still bearish, price below MA and below Ichimoku cloud. So overall it's bearish for Dow. And then this is the anticipate cycle chart for KLCI. Potential for price to go lower if 10-year cycle happen this year or next year. So let's see the performance of our Bursa. This KLCI chart stay aside correction expected. It is still bearish. KLCI resistant at 1740. And then KLCI for long term bearish target still remain at 1350. The next trend line support here if this trend line is broken. So let's see. FKLI stay aside short below 1679 or lower for FKLI. So no bullish confirmation. It's still bearish. We still maintain short. Okay. And then this is FKLI short-term targeting. You can see based on the FIBO targeting 1580, 1500, 1430, 1345 here. And then FBM 70 index is still bearish, price below EMA 50 and EMA 20. So we stay aside. And then this is a small cap index. It's also priced below the moving average 50 and 20. So overall still bearish for small cap index, and for mid cap index here also price is, you can see this like the same pattern. Here's price still below EMA 50 and EMA 20 here. So I still also bearish for mid cap index here. For FCPO short buy stop 20650 or higher, target 1950 to 1900 for FCPO. Okay, that's all in our Sifu Fred newsletter. So you can get this data in the website. Log into the website to get to read further on Sifu Fred newsletter. So now is 8:85. Let's see the pre-session here. Nothing much, nothing. So let's see what happened. So as we mentioned earlier, we always remind you guys that for conservative trader, stay aside for this uncertain market, and only for aggressive trader you can take the trade, but put a type stop loss. So yeah, don't be too aggressive. So let's see for today. You can see that our stock market is not too exciting. So you can shift your you can shift to futures market for FCPO, FKLI, forex trading. You trade down or whatsoever, because in current sentiment, in current market, it's hard to make money in the stock market. If you want to hold also, it's yeah, it's still dangerous because we not find the low yet. So unless you will buy, and then if price will go down, and then you still holding, so let's wait for the clearer signal. That's my suggestion. So let's see for 1 more minutes for market to open. Let's see. Okay, for those who just joining us, welcome to our live trade session. Market will open shortly. 1 more minutes. Let's see the performance of our Bursa today. Still expecting that soft market. So we shift to the top gainers here. Okay, we got rebound on Astro, Armada, Sapura Energy, Siasera. So let's see Armada here. Mostly rarely for technical rebound. So if you are short-term player, you can participate. But for long-term player, if you want to hold for long term, it's still not a time. So let's wait for the low first. So this is Armada. If you can see, the chart is uh downtrend. This pattern, the consolidation already break below, so it's a distribution pattern here. So price will go lower. Now it's hold here. We can see the volume here, but it's not confirmed yet for price to go up. As for chart pattern target, it will go lower, but as long as this support is stay, so it's okay. But we not encourage you to uh trade this kind of stock. A downtrend stock is hard for you to make money. We only trade in the uptrend stock. So if you trade in the downtrend stock, it will your risk will get will more higher lah. So for Armada, yeah, I suggest to stay aside. If we change for minutes chart here, this this rounding bottom targets already hit and cannot be break above. So if only price if price can break above this level, the next target will be here. But as price cannot break, so it's still hovering here as long as this support is stay. So if you're aggressive trader, you still holding, so watch for this support level. I know a few of got traders trade Armada, so this is your support level 0.1 for Armada. So if this supports broken, so it will be lower target for Armada. So what we suggest is stay aside for Armada. So let's see what else. Astro here. Yeah, our you can see KLCI drop 4.84 points here. Your value still low as the market just opened for 3 minutes. So let's see. But yeah, what we anticipate, the market will also continue soft. Is it you want to participate in short term? So need to see the chart. Don't just go in. Sometimes in the like this uncertainty, the soft sentiment, the news also cannot push the market. So yeah, the news in the page for the age today is cash is the king. So let's see Astro. Astro triggered a turtle TAD5, but overall you see that this is downtrend. So yeah, let me see the chart. Okay, if you can see here, I hide this one first. This downtrend is still intact. This trend line still intact. So price still cannot break above this trend line. So it's we yeah, it's not a buy yet for Astro because overall it's still downtrend. So we stay aside for Astro. The resistance is here. Okay, this one is a new stock, just open yesterday, so it's hard for us to do a technical target for this stock. So if you trade this stock, so congratulations as it's go higher. what I can see only in the minute chart. I'm not sure if you guys buy this IPO, so you can use either, yeah, this is your support, and then price still testing to break this resistance 0.885 here. So it's the data is not enough to do a technical target, but overall what I can say here is support is here 0.850 if you trade this stock. So now price still testing to break above this previous resistance based on 15-minute chart. So yeah, this is for TE's Tech. I don't know what is the name. Tech BND here. So Armada we already see. Destiny also go up. If you can see a lot of stock to a technical rebound. If you are short term trader, you participate in the technical rebound, so you need to know when to get out and when to go in. So Destiny also downtrend, major support at 0.105 based on the previous low here. So still no buy for Destiny. Is the rally only technical rebound here, so we stay aside for Destiny. You can see also the price also get down here. So yeah, as stochastic is what oversold, so it's potential for technical rebound. So Destiny will stay aside. If you are long-term trader or you are swing trader, it's also hard to uh, find a good stock to hold for now. Let's see because we need to see the strong support. This Pansar still hold at, okay, I changed to TAD template. So yeah, this stock is already go up in 90-degree, and then distribution pattern here if you can see, and then price will go down. Price still hold at this support level. What level here? Let's see. Okay, around this level 0.705 support here. As this candle erratic, sometimes the shadow will go below the support level. It will test that support level. So for if you trade this kind of stock, you need to put the stop loss lower to absorb the volatility of this kind of pattern. So if you put exactly just lower one bit or two bit below the support, so potential for the support to hit is higher. As you can see, this candle is volatile. So for Pansa, not yet. Yes, price holding at support, but overall is still sideways. So we don't go in yet in Pansa. For aggressive trader, you can monitor for TAD breakout, but what I can suggest, safe entry is above the consolidation level, around 0.895, 0.900 resistance, 0.8 to 0.900 for you to monitor. If breakout above this level, for now, Pansa still sideways. So what else we got here? Mostly a technical rebound. You can see the stock that already down. Oh, okay. TM. Okay, wait. TM here. Yep, this, if you can see, TM are also going down. What I see is only a technical rebound in TM. The stock will test this pattern, the net resistance around 2.700 here. If you can see the rally with the low volume also, the stochastic almost overbought here. What I can see in TM is only a technical rebound. So I not suggest to go in ETM yet, because what I see is only a technical rebound. If you want to monitor TM, you can see above this 0.277. Let's see if price can break out above this level, and yeah, we need to see. But overall, what I see is only a technical rebound. Here, price still trading inside this ascending channel pattern for TM. So yeah, TM, for I suggest not go in yet. What else here? DG. DG also got erratic candle. Overall, it's uptrend, and it's still overall trend. The long term is still uptrend. The price still holding, but what I can see, it's okay, I delete this first. Cautious for this pattern. If you can see what is the pattern here. So for DG, I changed to the TAD template first. If you can see the erratic candle here, so support 1 here. So let's monitor this support level. Support 3.910 here. TAD also not give a buy signal yet, but the resistance is around here, the left shoulder. Okay. So for DG, is the rally also a technical rebound here. Made the long term trend is up, the medium term is still down. Okay. Okay. If you can see, so this is for DG potential head and shoulders pattern. So cautious. It's the TAD not give a buy signal yet. So let's see. At least it need to break above the resistance trend line resistance. So for now, not yet for DG. So what else we can see here? Maxis. Yeah, you also can feel that our stock now is not too exciting. So what I can suggest to you guys, you can change to other like futures, trade FCPO, FKLI, Forex, Dow. So yeah, it's hard to make money in this current sentiment in the stock market. So Maxis also downtrend, still trading inside this one. So this pattern not yet it's tasting the turtle, but overall it's yeah, it's only trading inside this pattern. Sometimes if you trade a downtrend stock, if you anticipate the price will go up to touch the resistance, sometimes is also hard to touch that resistance level. So that's why better stay aside if the stock is downtrend. Look to uh another stock. Don't touch. So Maxis no. So let's see what else here. For top active, we got Hubline, Astro, Destiny. We already see Astro. Also, we also see Hubline here. The candle is organized. You can see the pattern before this no pattern, and then it changed. It's still erratic. It's still organized. So it's hard to trade this kind of stock, and it's downtrend stock, so we stay aside for Hubline. And then what else we got here? Sapura Energy, no change. FGV, not change here. K1 is also what erratic stock here. It's nothing. Okay, K1, what I see in K1, so it's for aggressive trader. If you can see the pattern is push and then it will dump the stock and then push back, it will dump back, push and dump. So when you trade this kind of stock, put a type stop loss, and it's only for aggressive trader. So for now, it almost hit the resistance here, but because it's erratic candle, sometimes it's will not touch here. So I change to this one. K1, overall the TAD still hold. The support is here. If you trade K1, it's break the flag pattern here, but not go up yet. So this support still hold around this level. If you trade K1, the nearest resistance, the nearest take profit level at 0.350 for K1. So based on the Fibonacci target, if break this level, next level will be at 0.410 for K1, but cautious when trading this kind of stock, as this stock, if you can see, it is a push and dump stock. So yeah, we need to see price can break this level first to go to this level. If you're still holding, so your support is 0.285 here for K1. Nearest resistance at 0.350 and next at 0.410 for K1. Mm. Okay, what else? So let's see FPMKSCI. Now 8 sorry, now is 9:21 a.m. FPMKSCI dropped 5.20 points or 0.31%. You can see the value turnover still low. It's still soft. It's almost 20-minute market open, the value 128.8 million here, the volume 296.1 million. The losers is outperform the gainers. Losers is 181 and the gainers 103, unchanged 1584. So what else we can see here is it's like the soft market is nothing. So if you guys still hold got stock that you guys still hold, or what you still monitoring, so just go ahead, type on the chat box. We can see the stock together. You can study decks your stock together. So as we keep reminding you guys, is this kind of a market, this current sentiment is a lot uncertainty, soft market. So for conservative trader, we keep reminding you guys to stay aside. And for aggressive trader, if you are aggressive trader, what I can suggest, my opinion is, if you want to trade, you can take for short term trade. It's not the time that you hold your stock yet. So for holding, let see the uh clearer picture first. Let's wait for clearer what the support, strong support. For now, the market is still uncertain. So yeah. So what else here is is nothing also. Okay. Pro market morning. Mina can comment on checks not in yet. Current price look attractive. Can buy some and keep. Check. Let's see. You want to keep for how long, or you it means a position or what? Okay, let's see. Checks. Uh, mm, it's already break this support level. If you can see here, 0.25. Sorry, 0.625. Already break below this level. You can see that this support is a next support for checks. Let's see, got support still, got low here for checks. The major, the all historical low is historical low at 0.21 for checks. Okay, let's change to PAD template. Can keep for 3 to 6 months. Let's see. It's overall is downtrend. This stock is not, let's see, got support before or not. Okay, here 0.5 above that level. Let's see, this need to be okay. Wait, let's see if this support around this level. Okay, this support 0.625 already broken, and now it's hovering around this support level. It testing to go down, but it's still supported at that level. 0.050, if you can see before this. But overall, what I can say is it's not, it's still testing, it's still hovering here. The the value got volume spike here, but if you are aggressive, it's overall it's downtrend. For me, I don't like. The gap down here at least need to be filled first. Overall, it's the JAX now, stochastic is oversold. Is potential for technical rebound here. If you interested to go in, it's only for short term play for now. I cannot suggest you can hold for 3 to 6 months. It's like a position or swing. It's like a position. Is because overall tech is still downtrend. If you want to play in the downtrend stock, what I can suggest is only take for short terms for technical rebound, for potential technical rebound. It's not the time to uh hold yet in checks, because I cannot see. At least if you want to hold, wait for confirmation. If you try to cash at bottom, so you need to, we do not know that this support 0.5, around 0.510 here is strong or not. It already testing the total support here. The what I can see, the next support is at more strong support 0.37, 0.25. So if you interested in checks, what I can suggest, take only for a short term trade. But you can look at, I'm not sure about the fundamental news, but uh the yeah the technical is still weak, is still downtrend. The rally, if the rally happens, is only for technical rebound. As long as this support around this level still holding, but if this support cannot hold, the price will go lower. We do not know this support is strong enough to hold or not. If you want, if you try to cash at bottom, so you you need to watch at this level, around this level 0.510, 0.460. If this support is broken, it will go to the next support level here. And then if next support is broken, and then it will go, it's, so what I can suggest, if you want to hold for long term, at least we want to see price to uptrend at higher high, higher low to go up. Like here, the price try to go up for technical rebound and then lower, do a higher low, but it failed to make a higher high, and the price will go down. So it's like that. So if you want to play checks, for now it's only for technical rebound play. I not suggest to keep yet, as you see the jack is, yeah, it's go down, but not 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 mean the cheap stock is good. So it's will continue go down if the support is not strong. I not suggest for you to hold yet. I'm not sure the fundamental news, but based on technical, I not see can hold long yet. But for technical rebound, it's have potential as long as this support is not break below. So it might test the gap resistance here, as long as this support not broken. Here resistance 0.575, and next Fibonacci resistance around the EMA also 0.659. So that's my view on checks. You can monitor. Maybe you see that the stock hold at this previous support, and then you see the volume spike here. Maybe you anticipate for uh what the selling climax here. So if you interested to go in, this is your support level 0.510, 0.460. And then what I can suggest, don't hold yet. It's only for technical rebound. Yeah. Or if price go up, you can put trailing stop. Like this one, you can take a short term rally, and then you can put the trailing stop is price break below the support level. So you need to get out fast, because this stock is still downtrend. I hope that comment helps you, bro Michael, for checks. So what else? Okay. If you got any stock, other stock, just go ahead, type on the chat box. We can see together. You can study together. I also study. What else? FPM KSCI drop 7.69 point here. Now 9:33 a.m. So the value still soft here, 190.5. Gainers 114, losers 272. The losers still outperform gainers. Not much, if you can see. It's testing the support level here. So let's see. What I monitor for FBM KSCI is this trend line. If this trend line is broke, so it's my potential to go down. So let's see for FBM KSCI. What else is Asia is okay. Let's see Asia here, as it's in our TAD alert for hold. If you already buy, as stochastic now overbought, so it's potential for Asia to rest first. Support maintained at 2.880 and then 2.770 here. So volume is still low, so can hold for Asia if he already in. And if you're not in yet, you can monitor for buy on dip or buy on breakout for Asia. For now, we're still waiting for the signal. It's not signal yet. Now price hovering around the Fibonacci 38. Let's see, the 61 is here for buy on dip, but if price go lower, your support still got support here. So let's see for Asia. It's we not see the buy on dip signal yet. At least if you want to buy on dip, you can see the stochastic is at over sold level here. But if the stock keep going up, this overbought level can stay overbought for long term. So overall, Asia still holding. If you are in, your support is 2.880, 2.770. Let's see, the resistance is 3.230 and then 3.630 for Asia. This one is like a strong resistance also. The gap resistance it tested before to break up and fail, it's go down, and then let's see if this resistance can be break for the higher target. For now, the target for Asia still at 3.230 and 3.630. What else we can see here moving? Let's see the top gainers. Destiny technical rebound. We already opened this Astro TM DG Maxis PCH. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, if you can see based on the chart pattern target, there is a higher target for PCHEM at 10.8 based on the Fibo 200. For now, price still trading inside the ascending channel, is hit this level twice, cannot break above, so potential for price to touch this level before go up again, or if this level is break, so it will go down. So let's see, sometimes it's not price will not exactly we touch 200 Fibo. Sometimes it will stop at 161 or almost 200. So that's why it's important for us to put trailing stop. If the price hit the target, we can take profit, and if the target is not hit but hit our trailing stop, you also can take profit first. So that's why the stop loss is important. Not all the target is will 100% will hit. It sometimes it's like almost and or exactly hit. Because what we focus is only forecasting, is not 100% confirmed. So PCHEM testing the ascending channel twice, cannot break. The price, the TAD sell is already out here. So yeah, what I this support for PCHEM based on the low 0.8.880. If this support is broken, so potential for PCHEM to touch the ascending channel. If this support can hold, potential it will go up to continue the next target around 200% FIBO. For now, PCHEM, not yet. So we stay aside. What else we can see? Maxis DG NBMR is volume only 3,000. So we only interested if the volume can go above 4,000. It's like a healthy volume. So the liquidity is there if you want to buy or if you want to sell. If you trade the stock that less volume, yeah, for who you want to sell if you buy. No one waiting for you to buy if you want to sell. It's like that. So healthy volume, better look for volume 4,000 and above. So guys, now 9:41 a.m. If you got any stock, just put on the chat box. We can open your stock. We can study together your stock. For now, I'm still monitoring the market. Nothing much. It's soft market for today. Value is only 246.2 million. KFBM KLCI dropped 7.82 point or 0.46% here. Gainers 117 and losers 297, which losers outperform gainers. And we keep reminding you guys, for conservative trader, please stay aside in the current market. In uncertainty, the soft market, the sentiment is uncertain. So for aggressive trader, if you interested to go in, you can put a type stop loss. Maybe can take a short term trade, as I not suggest for long term yet. If you interested to go in, monitor your trailing stop to for your stock, and then you need to know if you play the technical rebound or you play the what the short term trade. So for the short term, if hit 3%, 7% is good enough, 5% is good enough. And if you want to uh, put trailing stop, also can, and to protect your capital, to protect your profit. So for now, it's not for what I can feel is not the time for you to, yeah, you can trade futures, you can trade forex, you can trade FKLI, you can trade FCPO, you can short Dow. For now, stock is, you can feel the market is soft. We wait for that time. If that time is come, so we can trade the stock. For now, it's only for short term play. You can play technical rebound, and you need to know when to go in, when to go out. Don't hold if your stock already break support level and you wish and you hope your stock will go up. We don't know when it will go up. So minimize your risk. What else? It's top gainer still Astro Destiny, Tech PHN, TM, PCHEM, DG Maxis, and BMR. Is only this stock is only until Maxis, only this stock is above 4,000. The volume is 4,000. Others not yet, is still low volumes. And then for top active, you can see Hopline, Armada, Astro Destiny, Hibiscus is dropped. For Hibiscus, okay, let's see. Hibiscus is already, it's failed to break above the resistance. For Hibiscus, Let's change to TAD template. Is overall we can see this pattern but got resistance here, the rounding bottom, but to go up, for sure we got resistance. So this resistance 1 2 3, and then this price cannot break above this resistance, so the price will go down. So we wait this resistance to break first for price to go up. For now, what I can see, hibiscus still, this support is over around here, around this level. If you can, it's like tentative trend line, 1 2 touch, or yeah, 1 2 touch, and then uh maybe this is forecasted support here around this trend line. So if price cannot hold, what I can see here is a potential distribution here, and price fail to go up above previous resistance that I show you. So if this neckline is broken for hibiscus, potential will find support around the tentative trend line here. You can just draw the trend line. If touch 2, it's mean the tentative means it's not confirmed yet. It's possible if price hold here and a rebound, so it will be a confirmed trend line. It's like a strong trend line. So let's see for hibiscus. If you still holding, so monitor for your stop loss here for your support 0.975, as if this support broken, the price will potential to find the trend line support around this level. So if this trend line is strong enough to hold, so the price will continue to go up. And what I can see here, this resistance need to break first. So let's see for hibiscus. For now is no buy signal yet. If you still holding, your support is here. TAD already give a sell signal around here. If you can see 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So TAD gives sell here and no buy until this now. No buy until now for hibiscus. So we stay aside for hibiscus. And if you still holding, monitor your stop loss. It's a potential head and shoulders here, and then potential to price to go down if cannot hold this support level. This for hibiscus, what I can see in hibiscus for now. But if this support hold and then this can this resistance can break, it's will test the next resistance here. If this resistance break, and then it will find the higher target for hibiscus. For now, we stay aside. Okay. What else we see here? KLCR still uh around that level 76, drop 6.58 now. Now 9:49 a.m. It's dropped 6.38 points. Value still low. It's nothing. It's soft market here. What you can do if you don't have position, you can do something else. You can go to study or attend courses or trade futures. It's a time for you guys to trade futures. It's not for time for you guys to trade stock. We wait for that time. It's will have the time for you to trade a stock, but it's not now. It's still soft. It's hard for us to make money in stock market unless you play for short term. But you need to know where to go in, where to go out fast. Yep. You just can take a small profit, 3 to 5 to 7%. So cannot hold for me, for what I feel lah. It's still not time for you to buy and hold. We're still waiting for that time. So yeah, as you can read, I will share the age paper after this live trade session. You can read at the page 4. Here the headline is cash king given Wubi equities. This is the headline for the Age Financial Daily for today. So I will share this one later in the Telegram group. So now 9:51 a.m., 4 minutes before we end our live trade session. If you got any stock to analyze, you can put in the chat box. We can analyze your stock together. Yep, still got 4 minutes before we end our live trade session. But overall today it's a soft market. It's nothing. I also cannot say nothing much movement here. If you can see, mostly rally here is do a technical rebound. Astro, this one is a new stock. It's continue rally. If you buy this stocks, is IPO stock. So yeah, we already share to you guys the support level based on the 5 minutes. If you trade this 15 minute, if you trade this stock, and then okay, change to 15 minute. Why I changed to 50 minute? Because if we use one day here, we not get enough data to analyze. So what we can do, change to 50 minutes. Okay, so support here still maintains this resistance already break above this resistance. So what you can do, if you buy this top, this support level still maintain, and it's make a new high for tech B, BND is a new stock. So what you can do is just put a trailing stop to ride the trend. Use the intraday chart because we don't have enough data when we use one day chart. So if you trade this kind of stock, use intraday chart, and when price go up, increase your trailing stop. Because what I don't have enough data to analyze, it's not strong yet for me to analyze. But what I can see based on the 50-minute charts, now price testing the 61% Fibo level at 0.99, and then this price can if price can stay above this level, this resistance, and then next target will be here lah, 0.930 based on the 50-minute charts. And now it's testing resistance here. So your support is here. So if you trade this stock, if this stock is break above, so you increase your trailing stop, to ride the trend. This is for tech BND, BD, BND. Yep, BND. Yeah. So you can monitor this support level if you trade this stock. Mm, what else we got here? Yep, TM also technical rebound. PCHM we already see DG, the nons. Let's open this one. It's like do a V top here. A V top. What is a V top? If when price push in do sharp rally and then it do a quick drop also. So we see a V top here. So if you trade this stock, you need to know the character of this stock. If you can see the candle also erratic, it's organized, so it's only mean for aggressive trader. And then you can see this is like a push and dump stock. You can see that this already being pushed here and then it already dump that stock. So for now it's maybe traded in the sideway. For now it's the rally on the technical rebound. So the support already broken here and then target already hit. It's go above the this 100 Fibo but cannot touch 138 Fibo target. It's a fail to test that level. So and then it down that stock. So for now it's still stay aside. Any ready on the technical rebound. As now stochastic also oversold. For the nons, now price testing EMA 50. So we stay aside in the nons. What else? Nothing much. We see on the it's nothing, guys. It's a soft market for today. Okay, it's nothing. Press by heart. I risky one. Yeah, we now at 9:58 a.m. We will end our live trade session shortly. But if you got stock to analyze, still got time, just put in the chat box. I will open your chart. As for now, what I'm doing, I just monitor the stock, the top active and top gainers. This one you can see what if the stock move, and then you can participate if you are aggressive trader. Need to know where there's nearest resistance and support before you go in, which it's mean that you need to know which is what is a risk and reward before you go in. Don't just go in, because it's potential for when you just go in and then you already buy at the top and everyone already take profit and you is the last one to buy. Okay, Bro Michael can comment OCK. Not in. Look see only. Can. OCK. The volume low. It's no player. Support is here. Okay, let's draw the trend line. Change to the TAD template. Maybe you see the volume spike here also. Okay, first you need to see the character of the candle. So if you can see here, the candle is uh, a bit erratic. So it's for aggressive trader. If you can see, got 4 price doji. It's move in erratic candle. Sometimes it will get up and then it will get down. So if you trade this stock, you need to put the stop loss big far, because to absorb the volatility of the candle. For now, OCK is I need to okay. For now, OCK got volume spike here. It's still not make a higher high yet. Okay, let's see. Need to change. If you draw the draw the Fibonacci, if the price adjusts, you need to adjust your Fibonacci also. So I will adjust this one. See, the candle is erratic. Sometimes it will touch, and so okay, I will use this level. Confluence with the around the EMA, also EMA resistant, and EMA can be a resistant also. Resistant 485 here. Around the trend line resistance here, if you can see the trend line will go lower. It's mean the stock fall. It's more good. It's going down. It's sharply going down. Going down. So let's see, this one is only for me is for now. The support is not holding at around this support level, but not exactly hovering around this level. We can consider around this support level is the support, because the candle is, so it's around this support 0.395 to 0.4 yeah. So it's do a technical rebound here, testing to break this resistance. If you can see, it's failed to break above this resistance. It go down. This support is still hold. Okay, you not go in, right? So what I can suggest, don't don't have buy signal yet, because you can see this volume spike, but we cannot see the stop make a higher high or break this resistance first, unless it need to break this level 0.4, around 0.485 or higher. Let's see if this stock can break this trend line resistance, but overall still a technical rebound to touch the next resistance around 0.545. If you can see around this level and around this level. So you can use Fibonacci to as a resistance level. For now, we need to see, because the trend line, when price move, the trend line can change. It's mean the price with the resistance will get lower and lower. For now, don't have buy signal yet in OCK. because you also not in yet. So what I can suggest, if you can see the volume here also 741, it's nothing. So stay aside for this kind of stock. Maybe you can trade for other stock, better stock. For now, OCK is it's downtrending stock and it's to a technical rebound. It's failed to go above this level. This is my view for OCK. As long as this support is still hold, let's see if price can break above this resistance first. Okay, now is 10:06 a.m. FPM KSCI's drop 5.08, recover a bit from 7 point drop, now 5.38 points or 0.32%. The value here still low, still soft market for today, only 313.7 million. Volume here 605 million here. The losers still outperform gainers. Losers 320 and the gainers 158. Unchanged 1390. So overall you can see today is a soft market. You can see the rally here is mostly a technical rebound. We keep aside. If you got if you still holding your stock, yes, monitor your stop loss. We got a few stock which is hold. So monitor that stock. You can see in the Silver Freight newsletter. You can see in the TAD stock alert. I already put the stop loss there for you to monitor if you hold that stock. So for now, if you are not holding any position, so it's good. It's now is a soft sentiment. It's a soft market. So we will wait for the opportunity. For now, the opportunity is not there yet. So let's end our live trade session for today. So I hope you all learn so much in this live trade session. So on behalf of our F1 Academy and that team, we want to thank you so much for joining our live trade session. And my name Nina Ibrahim, and we will keep in touch in the Telegram group. So see you guys in the Telegram group. Bye guys.